Hello, my dear students. Here is another easy lesson. We're gonna locate the points by figuring out their coordinates. Let's start with A. A is right here. And remember, we always start with x first. So we need to write down 1 first. Open the bracket. That's important. Write down the x value 1, comma, and then the y value, which is negative 2. Next, B is located right here. And start with the x value first. It is negative 2. Open the bracket, negative 2, comma, and then the y value, which is negative 4. Now let's do the same for C. And for C, I am about to make a mistake. And I'm going to write down, open the bracket, 6 first, and then write down negative 5 after. So this will be a mistake. Why? Because I did not start with the x-axis, x values first. X values are the one that goes from left to right. So let me once again correct the mistake I just did here. So start with the x values, negative 5 and 6. Open the bracket, negative 5 and 6. Next we have D, and D is located right here, and the x value is 2, comma, y value up and down 0, nothing. Next is E. E is located right there, and the x value is negative 2, comma, positive 1. F is right here, and the x value is nothing, right? Look at the x value from left and right. It has to be 0. X value is 0, comma, but y value is negative 5. And don't forget the negative sign here, right? And the last but not least, G is located right here, and the x value is 5, comma, y value is 2. Let's practice.